SBC is a new facility, so we need to establish new processes in order to minimize potential delays. We don't want patients to wait for their medicine.
I have been here since 2017, when we started constructing the building. It's really interesting to have been with the site since the start.
Every day is different. The line always surprises you with new things. The job is high-paced and fun.
We produce something that changes people's lives.
No one could imagine how many different things we would have to deal with setting up a completely new site. It has been a challenge, but also extremely educational.
Working at SBC means that you have to be a problem solver. You have to be open to new ideas, be willing to share your knowledge, and listen to others. You have to be curious, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Speak your mind.
Here, everyone is welcome with their opinions and get a chance to come forward with improvements. We're working in very cross-functional teams.
I really like my colleagues. Everyone is very helpful and treats you with respect. You work with people from many different backgrounds and cultures.
There will always be interesting things happening at SBC because this is the pipeline for the new medicines.
We don't take the easy way. We want to take the best way and make the best choices.
If you enjoy having different tasks almost every day, like new challenges, are good at problem solving, have a passion for science and like working with different people from different parts of the world, this is the place to be.
I have found a great place to work.
My name is Lisa and I'm a process engineer at SBC.
My name is Pia Karlsson-Lantz and I work as a maintenance engineer at SBC.
My name is Ziyad and I'm a supply planner at SBC.